How to remove a pillar trim on Volkswagen Passat B6, B7, cc, 2006 to 2016, in 3 easy steps. 1. Remove that airbag plastic cap from the A-pillar trim using a trim removal tool. You can find trim removal tool set in the video description below. 2. Remove the screw from inside using 8T20 Torx. 3. Pull aside the A-pillar trim and then pull it up to take it away. Do the same with the A-pillar trim from the left side. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.